The Miami-Dade Police Department and Fire Rescue has been called out today for a plane crash involving a potential hijacking situation. They arrive on scene within minutes to help passengers evacuate from the downed aircraft. The Miami-Dade Police Department and Fire Rescue puts on practice drills like this on a regular basis to be prepared for any situation that might arise. All local and federal agencies involved in the emergency response systems are on scene to take part in the exercise.
The Miami-Dade Police Department does on a regular basis to practice our responses to different incidents we have all around the county. Today we were practicing our response to a plane accident at Opa-Locka Airport. And here is where we learn the good things and the bad things in areas we can improve to make sure that when an incident does occur, we're ready to react and address it.
Hey guys, my name is Alex Marin. I'm the owner of my Jet Saver and Air Charters Worldwide. We're just doing a drill with the federal government offices here, and we're just simulating a crash landing, potential hijack of one of our aircraft.
I'm Tyrone Hart, and I'm working on the drill for emergency evacuation of my Jet Saver at Opa-Locka.
Yeah, they tested our resource. Everyone did well. They knew what they were doing. They triaged properly. And I heard radio communication was really good.